In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize plain text emails in Hubspot. Plain text matters because some email clients, security tools, and recipients prefer it. A clean plain text version can improve readability, deliverability, and accessibility. It is also a helpful backup if images or formatting do not load. Hubspot can generate a plain text version automatically, but you can also customize it so it matches your message and sounds natural. To get started, go into your Hubspot account and look at the top navigation. Click Marketing, and then click Email. This takes you to your email dashboard, where you can see drafts and previously sent emails. Next, find the draft email you want to work on, and click the name of that draft. This opens the email editor. Make sure you are editing the correct email, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Once the editor is open, move to the top area of the page and click the Settings tab. Settings is where Hubspot keeps options that control how your email is delivered and displayed, including the plain text and web version. Now scroll down within Settings until you find the section labeled Plain Text and Web Version. This is the area that controls what recipients see if they view the plain text version, and it also ties into the browser-based web version. Take a moment to read what is currently there so you know what will be changed. Then click Customize. This switches you from the automatically generated text to a manual edit mode where you can adjust the plain text content directly. When you edit, keep it simple and easy to scan. Use short paragraphs, clear spacing, and wording that still makes sense without design elements. If your formatted email relies on buttons or images, make sure the plain text still explains what the reader should do next. When you are finished, save your work by clicking Update, or click Review and Send if you are ready to move forward. Saving ensures your customized plain text version is stored with the email, so it will send exactly as intended. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.